Hi, I'm Kenny. I'm Kenny and welcome to my channel. Third time's a charm. Let's try this. See if I don't mess anything up, but I can't touch anything. Okay, so OnePlus Pad. What happened was my son wanted to get me something for my birthday. I wanted an e-reader. He said e-readers don't do enough, and he decided that he wanted to get me a tablet. And I said, you know what? You don't want to spend the money? I'm fine with that. So I'm actually on. This is November 24th. Yes, 7 o'clock at night. There is a game on. I'm watching the replay actually. I think. So sorry. Okay. So we're gonna start off with the OnePlus Pad. I like their packaging. It's red and white. It comes in one color, which is this emerald green color. Um, and we did get it on the Black Friday sale. So not only was it discounted, it also had came it also had a free gift. So first we'll start with the pad itself, and I have to be really careful not to touch anything on this setup because it's not mine. I'm not used to it. I keep messing it up. So this is the pad, and that's the front. This is the back, obviously with the camera in the middle and the emerald green color. It's actually not a bad green. I'm not a super fan of green, but this is not bad. It's machine finished, so it's got like a circular pattern that goes around. And the free gift, you got to choose. So it also comes with, it also has a synced magnetic pencil, so to speak. So you could have chosen that, or you could have gotten the free magnetic keyboard, which is what I chose because that just made more sense. It covers it, it protects it, has the felt lining, it has the keyboard. It's always nice to have a keyboard in case you need to type an email and you don't want to do it on the screen or whatever. So this is a fully functional Android-based tablet, and I think it only comes really in one configuration, but I'm not for sure. But it's brand new, so if it's got any like kinks in it or what's it called? Heebie-jeebie kind of quirks that they haven't worked out yet, I'm probably gonna have them because I don't know how long this has been out, but it's pretty new this year. Again, the back facing camera, front facing camera is right there. I think you can see it there. This is the keyboard. I'm gonna hold it way back here because I keep messing this up. But it's magnetic. It's got the pins on the bottom, and there we go. Oops, not quite. Yep, there we go. It's stuck on there. It's pretty nice size magnets. Pretty good magnets. And the back of it magnetizes. Now I do have the Samsung Tab Pro S from like 5 years ago. So this keyboard, it kind of works similarly. It sets it up. It has a nice little form factor. This one's a little smaller, I believe, as far as the keyboard goes, but it's still got a pretty good travel. And I'm really nervous about messing this up again. And it's got a little trackpad there. And so what I'm going to do, and then once you want to close it, you just pull it off here. And this will also help put it to sleep. And then you close it here. And now I've got my complete compact form factor keyboard that's nice and neat. It's got the OnePlus logo right here. This is my first OnePlus product. I'm pretty excited. I don't know everything that it has on it. Okay, so the charging port here is the 3C or USB-C. These are speakers. That's on, let me see, facing. So that would be on the right side. So if you're facing the tablet, those are on the right side, the bottom. Okay. This is the front. This is the left side. And you've got two more speakers here. This is like the most awkward. And on the very top, you have, I think these are volume up and down rockers. maybe one of, oh, no, and yep, and then there's the power button here. So let's power it up and see if it's got any juice. It also comes with, in the box, comes with a power cord, which is USB-A to USB-C. It comes with the charging brick, and it's supposed to be like super fast charging. There's the connection there. It's pretty hefty. And it's supposed to charge like 0 to 100 in like 20 minutes or something. I don't know. That might be an exaggeration, but it's supposed to be pretty fast. I'd say this is about a 3-foot cord, and I have turned it on. Oh, and it's starting to open. And also, when you're, if you want to just use a tablet style, you can flip it all the way over like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video, hopefully, and not mess it up. And I'm going to get this set up. I'm going to read some directions first because this is my first OnePlus. It is an Android-based tablet, but I feel like there might be some kind of special thing going on with this one that I'm not sure about. So I'm going to try and pause this, and then I'll come back. Fingers crossed. Okay, so it is currently getting the tablet ready. I have already connected it to the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi connection was lightning fast. I mean, I typed in the password, it was like, connected. Connected faster, almost faster than my phone. Okay, so getting your tablet ready, this may take a few minutes. I literally just took it out of the box maybe 10 minutes ago because I've tried to record this like 3 times. But it's got 63% battery. I will say this about OnePlus's packaging. Their packaging is simple. It's red and white, which I am a fan of. But inside the box itself, like the box that it's shipped in, it was not padded very well. Just going to say that. This is the instructions that comes with it. This is, everything comes in their little box. So it still has it's got some cushion to it. I'm just saying, like on top of the box, it came in a pretty decent sized box, but on top of the stuff in the box, there was not like air padding or anything, which I would have expected for something that costs like this much, which is not super crazy expensive, but still, come on. Okay, membership card. Oh, it's an actual, I didn't even flip this over. It's an actual membership card. That's cool. I'm in the OnePlus family. Maybe my next phone will be a OnePlus because it certainly will not be an Apple. I'm an Android for life. Oh, this is the Red Cable Club. Ah, cool. Okay, glad I turned that over. Quick guide. Is still working on it. This is just instructions. So what I usually do is I read these a little bit just to kind of get myself familiar with how this works. I know that OnePlus has a lot of special features that they build into things. I don't know if it comes with the tablet like this. This is the safety guide. I know it comes on the phones. I don't know if it comes with the tablet. So I am going to probably read a little bit about this just to make sure I know what these buttons are. Now, obviously, I chose the power button correctly because the other two are next to each other. So those are typically, I'm sorry, I'm caught like this. So there's typically volume up and down. Let's see, that's what I see here. Hello, ciao. Oh, okay, it's in like 6 languages already. Hello, that's 1. English, French, Dutch, Italian, DE, I don't know what that is. Espanol, in Spanish, Netherlands. I don't know what all of these are. Is that English and another? Okay, this is cool. It's in like 10 languages. Okay, so basically it just gives you the power button, wireless charge, volume, USB-C port, and it just tells you where stuff is. And it's 8 megapixel camera on the front and a 12 megapixel camera on, 13 megapixel camera on the back. It's got a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, which is 9,230 milliamps, which is a big old battery. I did read or see online that it does have like a 30-day standby time. So if you charge it up and you don't use it for about 30 days, I don't know how true that is. I just need it to last all day. Like I don't need it to last for 30 days straight. Give me a couple days without having to charge it. It's gonna be doing better than my phone, I'll tell you that. And it is Wi-Fi only. They don't have one that's cellular based, which is fine with me because I don't need anything else on my cell phone bill. Okay, got the phones paid off. I'm golden. Okay, copy apps and data. Okay, so we're moving forward. I'm going to finish setting this up. I'm super excited. I don't want to film anymore because I'm not a tech guru, but I will probably be filming the rest of my videos for my YouTube channel on this. I did get an Ipsy unboxing. I did get an Ipsy box. I wasn't expecting it, and I really wasn't feeling like unboxing it. It was pretty decent stuff, not going to lie. But I just didn't feel like it, honestly. So if you need another Android device, or turn it on and keep it unlocked. Oh, find the device's cable. Use a cable that fits your other device, and this is usually the cable used for charging. And then it gives you instructions on how to copy and transfer everything over. So I have the device's cable because this is a USB-C. Oh, okay. This is USB-C. I thought I messed it up already. Again, I can't handle it. USB-C, USB-C. So I'm gonna do that. It's got pretty thin bezels. This, what is it called? Gyroscope. Pretty quick. Pretty thin bezels. So you have some place to hold it. I like it. It's got really good resolution too. Next. Okay, insert your cable into the other device. I'm about to have fun. Games on. Oh, they're in New York. Oh, that's Central Park. Okay, games on. It's Black Friday 2023, November 24th, a little after 7. I'm watching the game or replay or whatever on Amazon Prime, and I'm loving it. I'm so excited. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to finish setting up my tablet, get all my books moved over, and yeah. And it, when you close it, it puts it to sleep. Look how, oh, and I can hear it. Yes. Love it. Okay. So that's it. Oh, I told you the keyboard was free, right? I told you the keyboard was free. They are still having their Black Friday sale, but by the time you see this video, they might not be. I don't know. I don't know how long it's lasting. OnePlus magnetic keyboard. It has a pencil that also magnetizes to it, and I think, oh, is that a little groove in there for that? I think it charges it also, kind of like the Apple Pencil. It looks eerily similar to it. It's just got, I think the Apple Pencil has a rounded base like a pencil eraser. This one is flat on the bottom, and it's not round. It's like hexagonal, so it doesn't roll. Yeah, I didn't really feel like I needed that because with my Note, I don't really use the stylus as much as I thought I would. Like initially when you get the stylus, you're like, oh, I'm using it for everything. And then the more you use it, you just don't. So I don't really feel like I need the stylus for this. It'd be nice if the case somehow held the stylus in it somehow, so it wasn't sticking out on the top. But because it does, I don't need it because I don't need to lose it. Anyway, I think I've done enough. Okay, I'm excited. I can't wait. So again, thank you for watching for the 4th time. Thank you for your patience and everything. I know because I'm leaning over and so I'm comfortable. Please have a wonderful day. Enjoy your life with your family. Do all that you can to stay healthy. Keep your loved ones healthy. Love those around you. Pray every day. And yeah. Peace. Now, not my usual outro, but I don't know how to do this. I'm trying not to mess it up. There we go. All right. Peace.